This is time to welcome our next speaker here, and we would like to take the opportunity to welcome Amit Kumar Singh here in the speaker of the World Student Space 2021 for presentation. So, very good morning, sir.
Very good morning, all of you. Myself, Amit Kumar Singh. I am from Central University of Jharkhand, Ranchi, Jharkhand, India.
Thank you. Thank you for joining. And we would like to request you for sharing the screen so that you can go for your presentation.
My screen is visual.
Yes, it is appearing, and you can go for title part. That is yes. Thank you. Over to you.
My presentation topic is the growth of India's social political relation under the regime of Modi government. First, I am describing my abstract, then introduction, then objective, and end of discussion and conclusion. Seychelles, an assembly of 116 small island, is located in the Indian Ocean. The archipelago is a home to approximately 97,625 people with 10,000 NRI. Founded by the French in 1770, Seychelles is one of the newly emerging nations. India's first priority regarding stabilize its relation with Seychelles is to cooperate with each other in the field of defense and maritime security. In view of the perspective of cooperation, the visit of Prime Minister Narendra Modi in 2015 was considered the biggest region being of first being of being the first time an Indian Prime Minister was visiting Seychelles. Prior to this, if we talk about Indian diplomat, then former President Pratibha Devi Singh Patil had visited Seychelles in 2012. And former Prime Minister late Indira Gandhi, who was then Defense Minister, had visited Seychelles in 1981. After 3 decades, this visit of Prime Minister Narendra Modi to Seychelles was very important from a diplomatic strategic point of view. The relation between India and Seychelles has considered very important in the present government. India maritime strategy has shown a vast change, and India is being considered as an important power among the coastal nations of the Indo-Pacific region. India's diplomatic initiative is a continuous renewal of maritime security proposal through the study. It is an attempt to find out which dimension Seychelles can live up to India, by which China can be stopped, because Seychelles is necessary for Indian from the diplomatic point of view of the Indo-Pacific region. Introduction. Seychelles is an archipelago island which is located in the Indo-Pacific region, consisting of 116 small islands. It is one of the newly emerging nations in the field of economic and strategic engagement in Indo-Pacific region. It is one of the new bilateral relation with India has been continuously evolving and extremely important from a strategic and economic point of view. Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi for the first time visited Seychelles in 2015. India foreign policy with Seychelles has been providing an essential impact of stabilizing a strong political relation with Seychelles. My objective is to analyze the bilateral cooperation between government of India and Seychelles Island, especially during Modi regime, to examine the political cooperation between both countries and challenges ahead, to discuss India's foreign policy as an important player in the Indo-Pacific region, especially with the Seychelles. And end up my presentation, discussion and conclusion. There has been much significant change in the political relation between India and Seychelles since in 2016. India has given a special attention to engage Seychelles in the Indo-Pacific region under the Modi government. From this context, India has vision to stabilize a strong relation with Seychelles in the coming time, to be an indomitable power against China and check on its activities in the Indo-Pacific region. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi visit to Seychelles was a turning point from diplomatic and strategic point of view. It is primarily engaged strengthening and protecting the Indian Ocean with Seychelles. India has provided approximately over 50% of maritime and air asset to Seychelles. Some notable vessels being PS Topaz in 2006, PS Constant 2014, Patrol Boat Hems 2016, PS Zoroaster 2021. Again, around 70% of capacity development with the respect training, exercise, and human resource experting is provided by India to Seychelles. The Seychelles Triple Defense Forces have sent their senior military officers to take training in the Indian Military Academy to strengthen themselves. India always want to make Seychelles capable and complete with a vision to maintain cordial and collaborative relation between two nations from economic and military point of view. The biggest challenges for India now is to counter up China from access to India. China is countering with Seychelles in the Indo-Pacific region in order to weaken India in 2018. After the political turmoil in Seychelles under the mixed government, the Seychelles head of state visited India. He discussed about taking forward the project and all of the MOUs that was signed. Seychelles was also finding itself uncomfortable with the increasing interference of China in the Indo-Pacific region because it was immediating Seychelles to keep any nation under the on pressure by giving loans under the China expansion policy for the region. The head of state Seychelles was pursuing the criteria of relation with the India have to be taken forward with necessary steps for development apart from the military sector. Thank you.
Thank you very much for such an interesting presentation and the topic shared here. We would like to give a big hand to Amit Kumar Singh from our side, and I would like to request each and everyone to give a big hand for such a wonderful presentation. And now the session is open for discussion.